very thankful in Security Bank to have a hybrid setup kasi nawo-work, nababalance ko yung work ko and yung sa family, especially to my son.
Welcome to Mar to Heart Talk. This episode is extra special as we dedicate it to all mothers out there, especially for the working moms of Security Bank. And today we'll be having Jelay as one of the working moms here at Security Bank. Welcome, Jelay.
Hi, Mart.
Please introduce yourself shortly.
I'm Jelay. My role in Trust Department is Sales Support Officer. I've been 11 years in Security Bank. I started in Security Bank as contractual. So for parang 1 year din ako nag-contractual, and then after that, nag-EA ako. So from the EA, so 4 years akong EA, and then may open na vacant in Lima. So I started handling accounts sa mga branches. So sa Lima ko. Then after that, nag-sales support naman yung next role ko.
So, makikita natin na that's how flexible you are. At ganun din yung bank kasi bibigyan ka ng mga roles, different roles, and nislay mo naman.
Here in Security Bank sa Trust, I learned how to interact, ipag-usap, and how to handle yung mga situation pag may problems, pag may mga queries in the branch or in the clients. Yan. I learned it. And especially naman, I learned from the people sa support din ng mga team ko.
So, kitang-kita natin yung growth mo sa career mo. And nakakatuwa, to take note na nag-start siya as contractual, may baby na siya that time.
Yes,
Tama?
oo. 3 months old na siya.
So, ibig sabihin, kasing edad ng son mo, ng anak mo, kung gaano kakatagal dito sa Security Bank.
Yes. So, parang siya yung nagiging strength ko. Every time na papasok ko sa work, siya yung lagi kong iniisip. Kasi as a single mom, kailangan kong i-provide yung mga needs ng anak ko.
How do you balance your responsibilities at work and your time with your son?
Thankful ako. Honestly, I'm very thankful in Security Bank to have a hybrid setup. Kasi nawo-work, nababalance ko yung work ko and yung sa family, especially to my son. Sa work setup kasi parang nakakapag-focus ka sa work, and then sa time ko naman sa anak ko, na-provide ko na paano siya tutukan, lalo na especially sa mga learnings niya sa studies niya, sa pag-aaral niya, yan, sa mga projects niya, and then pag kailangan niya ng guidance sa pakikipagkaibigan, yun. Tsaka dapat turuan sila or i-guide sila yung kung ano yung tama at mali.
For many years na naging provider ka sa iyong anak. At ngayon naman, because of the setup ng Security Bank na may hybrid, nagkaroon ka ng maraming time para maging hands-on mom sa kanya. Lalo na ngayon na nasa adolescent stage na siya, na teenager na siya.
Oo, binata na, as in super binata na. And happy ako na napalaki siya ng parents ko na matured.
Thankful din tayo kahit ikaw ay mom na, may support system ka na mom mo rin, yung nanay mo, na naging kaagapay mo or kakibat mo sa pagpalaki sa iyong son. Balita ako na recently galing kayong Taiwan. So, kamusta naman?
Masaya, and thankful ako sa Security Bank for the Flexa. So, nagamit ko siya for our travel in Taiwan. So, masaya ako na nakita kong masaya yung anak ko. And ang dreams ko talaga kasi is kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto ko is yun din yung na experience ng anak ko.
Tama naman.
Yeah. So kung ano yung kinakain ko, ano yung gusto ko saan ako pumunta, gusto ko kasama siya. Yun yung goal ko for my son. I'm happy naman and I thankful talaga din kay Lord na syempre siya naman din yung one of the reasons si Lord yung nag-provide nun and I'm thankful for that. So, malit na bagay, malaking bagay, happy ako sa blessings na binibigay sa akin everyday.
I'm happy for you and for your son.
Yes!
Let's proceed to the last segment of our episode, Quick Revert. So yung Quick Revert, ito yung fast talk. ATM line or grocery line?
ATM.
ATM, syempre. Team bahay or team travel?
Both.
Favorite stress reliever? Shopping or sleeping?
Sleeping. Pero, pag stress kasi ako, gusto ko kumakanta ako.
Strict mom or chill mom?
Chill mom.
Morning hugs or good night hugs?
Both.
Both.
Pero, since tumatanda na siya at nagiging binata, mailap na siya.
I love na. Ayun na magpakis. Ayun na magpahag.
Ayaw na. Super duper ano na siya.
Conscious na.
Mm-mm.
Homework helper or taga-sermon? Both. Aminado.
Both talaga.
Dream vacation with family.
Kami ni Dre kasi, one of my dream kasi na puntan na travel is Japan talaga.
Japan.
Yes. So, kailangan ko mag-ipon.
Para sa visa.
So, flex again.
Flex Nice.
Flex again.
Yeah. Okay. So, advice to working moms. Kung may advice ka sa mga working moms.
You have to balance work and family.
Greatest achievement as a mom?
Greatest achievement? Siguro nung lumaki si Dre na matured and mabait and God-fearing din siya.
Favorite bonding with your son?
Bonding namin kumain.
Kumain.
Or may times na pag naglalaro and doing his homework.
Mas mabilis mag-reply, client or anak?
Mabilis mag-reply?
Client or anak?
Client. Kasi yung anak ko kasi pag minsan, pag umuwi siya ng bahay from school, natutulog agad siya eh. So parang minsan kinakabahan ako, saan ka na, hindi sumasagot. So, mas mabilis pa rin yung client.
Okay, at least very good ang mga client natin.
Yes.
Okay. Next is budget queen or deserve ko to queen? Both.
Maano ako eh. Ma-budget ako and yun. May time na
bigyan mo ng reward
bigyan ko ng reward sa sarili ko. But for me, pag may reward sa sarili ko, kailangan kasama
niyo.
si Dre.
So, thank you, Jelay, for having you here in Heart to Heart Talk. Being a mom is never easy, especially for working moms who balance their careers while taking care of their families. Despite the pressure and sacrifices, they continue to stay strong and give their best every single day of their lives. Happy Mother's Day to all moms out there. Thank you for the overwhelming support and for watching Heart to Heart Talk across all platforms. Your time, your views, and your engagement truly means so much.